Alibaba is perfectly following market structure. In today's analysis, I will take a look at Alibaba looking at a higher time frame, showing how you can capitalize on the next potential trading opportunity. If we take a look right here, first of all, at the monthly chart of Alibaba, and we determine the overall trend, you can see that starting back in 2015, Alibaba has entered a major uptrend, but then eventually broke below this long-term bullish trend line, which, as you can see, was back in the beginning of 2021. And from here, we saw a massive obliteration. You can see that Alibaba dropped roughly 75% towards the downside before it perfectly retested previous horizontal structure at $60. And from here, we already saw a bullish rejection away towards the upside. If we look at specific market structure, there are two very important lines, actually three very important lines at the moment. The first one is this quite nice resistance trend line. And as you can see, 2 months ago, Alibaba perfectly broke above this previous resistance trend line. And then you can see within actually a couple of weeks, Alibaba pumped roughly 45%. Alibaba then perfectly retested previous horizontal resistance at this $115 level. You can see that this was previous resistance in the past. Basically, always when Alibaba retested this resistance, it was followed by a rejection towards the downside. And just this month, Alibaba retested the resistance, and again, we saw a rejection towards the downside. And as I mentioned, there are three lines, so I still have to draw the third line, which is simply another horizontal structure at $80. As you can see, this was previously turned to support, then it was again turned to support, short-term resistance, and this level right here is now acting as support again. Now, if you are not in a trading position on Alibaba yet, of course, at the moment, Alibaba is kind of trading in between support and resistance, so there is no real trading opportunity. But what you can simply wait for is a retest of this previous breakout level. And then this previous structure after the break towards the upside is now turned support. Alibaba then has to create bullish confirmation on the smaller time frames inside of this level. And then there is a quite high chance that we will see more continuation towards the upside. This entire formation right here just looks like a simple rounding bottom reversal pattern. Alibaba already broke major resistance towards the upside, and this could certainly be the beginning of a next major massive bull run.